Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare wheatgrass versus moringa. Wheatgrass is derived from the young shoots of the common wheat plant, often harvested when it's just a few days old. Moringa, on the other hand, comes from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, a fast-growing, drought-resistant plant native to India. Both are celebrated for their impressive nutritional profiles and potential health benefits, making them popular superfood supplements. When we look at their nutritional content, wheatgrass is notably high in chlorophyll, along with vitamins A, C, and E. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, boasts a wider array of nutrients, including vitamins A, B, and C, plus significant amounts of iron and calcium. Importantly, moringa is a complete plant-based protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids, which wheatgrass does not. Both are excellent sources of antioxidants and various minerals. Regarding health benefits, wheatgrass is widely recognized for its detoxifying properties and its ability to support healthy digestion. Moringa, conversely, is often praised for its capacity to boost energy levels and enhance immune system function. Interestingly, both superfoods have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory compounds, which can contribute to reducing inflammation in the body. Ultimately, incorporating either into your diet can significantly contribute to your overall wellness. When it comes to usage, wheatgrass is known for its distinct, strong, and often grassy taste, commonly consumed as a juice shot. Moringa, however, offers a milder, more earthy flavor, making it versatile for smoothies or meals. Both are readily available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and juices, offering flexibility for consumption. As with any supplement, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your individual health needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.